decision from the Bank of England just came out, and I want to show you a number of tools that we used at Financial Source that made trading this decision so much easier. First thing, news breaks, everyone's scrambling, trying to understand exactly what's going on. But what you really need to understand this event is Professional Economic Calendar, which told you the exact vote split here. Here was the actual, here's the consensus. 7 members expected to vote for a cut. You only got 5. In this case, 2 MPC votes unchanged. That was the expectation. Instead, what did you get? 4. Well, that's a pretty hawkish reaction. There are lightning bolt flashes. Whenever there's a lightning bolt on major events, it means there could be a big move. That was a very simple and easy way to understand this event. Number 2, we had our interest rate tracker. Interest rate tracker, we could see in real time interest rate probabilities moving from 23 basis points all the way to 0. What does this mean? Well, it means that if you're looking to trade a pullback and buy the pound as it resumes its journey up, you've got a confirmation signal because the interest rate markets are saying, yep, we're going to have less easing. It is still hawkish. Even though there's a pullback, this is still hawkish, and that's a confirmation signal. Now, what we also got in our volatility trackers, we got targets. So for today, we can click on the pound dollar, and you can see here's the high targets that we could target initially for take profit levels, the 134.12 and then the 134.78. If you look at the chart, where was the first place we stopped? Right around here, which is right around the 134.12. And then finally, we also have our macro analysis, which means that we can spot currency pairs that are currently very bearish. Well, what happens when the pound New Zealand or the pound yen or the pound Swiss is very bearish and there's a big announcement in the other direction? Well, you've got to unwind some of those positions. And so you look here at the pound Swiss, for example, popping way higher. It gave you a nice signal where you might want to get in and what you might want to target. There's the pound CAD and there's the pound Swiss.